Hey everyone, welcome back. We are unboxing our NPET gaming keyboard. Kind of look at it here, but it is the K11 Wireless Gaming Keyboard, up to 10-meter distance. It's a plug and play. It charges for about 4 hours, so it's rechargeable, so that's pretty cool. It's not batteries. And then it has continuous usage for 21 hours. 7 static color lighting, 7 color breathing mode on and off, just different lighting options. It goes to sleep after 60 seconds of not using, and it's water resistant. So multifunction, USB 2.0, and multicolor, just kind of some of the features. We're gonna go ahead and open it now. Again, super lightweight, so that's exciting. And if you've been watching us, you know we love our NPET products. So this is just kind of to expand even more on that. All right, so we have a charging cord. I really like that it's rechargeable versus the batteries because I don't know about you, but there are times where I don't keep batteries on hand. So it's kind of nice that you don't have to worry about like, oh no, it died and I forgot to go to the store, or it's 2 a.m. and I need to use my computer and there's no stores open. So if we open it up, here's what it looks like. Well, it is lightweight. It is pretty like heavy duty as far as like typing and stuff. You can just kind of see everything in there. And then it comes obviously with its little user manual here. Of course I showed you the Chinese or whatever language that is, sorry, but it does have different stuff on the construction of this here. It tells the keyboard size in millimeters, and then it does like the different function keys, so you can get to your media, volume up, down, CD stop, previous track, play, pause, next track, email, web home, lock, scroll, calculator, lock windows, and just obviously all that, and then different lighting options. So, and then you can kind of see here, it has like the on and off switch, as well as it has the pretty standard little bump outs here, so you can do that. But we're going to go ahead and charge this and get it plugged in and see how it does. I mentioned this before, but the little dongle, I think that's what they're called, is down here, and it's like magnetic, so you won't lose it, but it just comes out like that, so that you'll plug this into your USB drive. So I'll turn this and we'll show how that goes. So I have my dongle here. I'm going to take this down and plug it in to the USB port here. Get it in on the right side, but it's not very intrusive. I don't know if you can even see, it's pretty dark, but you can't even see it there. And then we have our keyboard here. I just pulled up like a Word document so you can see that I just plugged it in and it starts typing. I didn't have to install anything, and then you can see the cool colors it has here. So you can just kind of see it does. I like how snappy it is. Kind of compare to like your standard cheap keyboard, that these ones are a little bit more like typewriter-ish, and you can get more distinct movements. It's also really cool to have the lights on here. So that's just kind of what this looks like. You can see it comes with a charging cord here that's also USB driven. Looks like USB-C maybe to USB 2.0. That if we flip this over here, you can see the charging port, and then you can also just turn this on and off as needed. So that works pretty well. It doesn't take overly long to charge, and like I said, it has a good battery life. So hopefully this helps you. You can see our other NPET wrist pads here, so definitely check that video out if you're interested. But this is the NPET gaming keyboard. Very cool looking, very high quality, and you can play in the dark because you can see all of your keys really easily. Hopefully that helps you. If you're interested, be sure to check out the link down below to check out this product. Otherwise, check out our other NPET review videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.